Hey guys, HP Garage here, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to get subscribers on YouTube fast, easy, and effective. So without further ado, let's get right into it, guys. Alright guys, moving on. I just want to give a little side note that the background's changed because right now we're going through a hurricane. I don't know if you heard Hurricane Elsa, but that's exactly what's outside right now. So it's really stormy, so I can't, sit in front of the car because it's raining outside, but I hope it's not too bad. I'm just inside the garage, so let's get right into it, guys. Okay guys, now getting into the video. See, it's on you guys, it's pouring outside right now. I'm gonna try to talk over the rain, so getting right into the video now, I'm gonna teach you guys how to get subscribers on YouTube. First thing you wanna do is post consistently, because if you post, let's say, 6 videos in a row, and you're like, guys, I'm gonna be posting every day, post 6 videos in a row, and you stop, then YouTube doesn't put your videos out as much. But if you stay consistent and you post for, let's say, a month or two, and you're just consistent, YouTube will put your videos out more to audiences that, like into your niche. Like, let's say you're posting cars, which I do, or if you're just a vlogger, or you're posting like cooking stuff, but you just want to stay consistent. That's the #1 key. So let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, moving on to the next tip. The second thing you want to do is have good thumbnails and titles. Yes guys, that's the most important thing, because when people are scrolling through your channel, or let's say it's on the explore page and people are scrolling, right? Like mine, for instance, is like how to spray paint your rims. So say someone searches it up and you're competing with other people. How to spray paint your rims, how to spray paint your rims, right? It's the same video, but who looks cooler and what looks more like attractive, So see one video that's like, it's just someone sitting there and there's nothing going on. And you see another thumbnail with like cool colors and right to the point. You're gonna click on that video because it looks cooler, So always have a good thumbnail, and moving on to the second one, titles, guys. If it just says how to spray paint my rims, you're gonna be like, okay, yeah, it's short and sweet. But if it says like how to spray paint my rims, how to spray paint your rims the right way, you're gonna be like, oh, I want to do it the right way, so they'll click on it. So that's the second step, guys, or second tip, and yeah, let's go on to the third tip. Alright guys, moving on to the third tip. So the third tip is, in my opinion, probably the most important, because it's all about promoting your videos, guys. Yes, you want to post it on everything you have, Snapchat, your Instagram, get your name out there, because if it goes to one person, it might go to another person, and this person might find it useful, and this person might find it useful, just like that. And that's when the snowball effect happens. That's when you get like viral, because one person sees it, another person sees it, and it just keeps building views and views and views. And then YouTube sees it and they're like, hey, this video is being successful. Then they push that video out to a bigger audience. Sorry about that, guys, I gotta go do something. But like I said, it keeps getting pushed to bigger audiences and bigger audiences. And that's what YouTube does. They find successful videos that are getting shared, likes, just getting more attention to it. So when they see that, they push your video out to big audiences. That's when you get a lot of views, a lot of likes. But like I said, guys, promotion is the biggest thing you want to do for your videos, because it's gonna help your channel in the long run, and it's just gonna make your channel look better. So yeah, guys, those are the 3 steps that helped me go from 0 subscribers to over 130 subscribers in like 4 days, guys. So I think you should follow the steps I'm using, because it's helped me a lot. And yeah, guys, that's exactly how to get subscribers on YouTube fast, easy, and effective, guys. So as always, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I hope this video helped you. And I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye.